Hey everybody, this is Eric. So I'm trying to give you a rundown of my channel, what I wanted to try to do, and so bear with me, like I'm new and trying to learn how to do all this stuff. So and forgive me for all this wind. It's kind of windy today. So give me an update on a few things in a little bit. Just want to let you know, so what I'm trying to do is I want to learn how to do homesteading and do it, learning my way through it, and also help get some information from you guys, and we can converse back and forth and see each other ideas and just try things out. We can try different things, and you guys have opinions, and I'll try different things out and see which way works for you, for me. We can learn together, and we'll just go from there. And also a couple of things I want to give you an idea what I'm trying to do with this channel as well. So we are doing this homestead here at home, at our house, and we are actually looking at, in the future, we're going to get in some land. I don't know, 2 acres, 5 acres, whatever we can get for a decent deal, and gonna start everything. Starting our little tiny home. I know there's a lot of people are doing that, but it would be completely self-sufficient. Solar, water, rain catchment, everything. Nothing with the city at all. And also with that, it's like a mini farm. It's like what we're trying to do. But I want to do it learning on my own, is figuring out as I go. And also later on in the future, I also want to do a completely electric vehicle and charge it from my house. And also with the electric vehicle, I'm trying to do things a little bit differently. I have a couple of options that I want to do. I want to either do a single motor, maybe even a dual motor, where I can switch back and forth to do regen charging while I'm driving as well. And I know that it won't get 100% charge or driving range, but it's something to try, and see if I can extend my range and do it a decent way. And like I said, that'll be down the time, or so in the future. But again, I want to do it all from my homestead, all charge from home, and just do as we need and not have to be dependent on the grid at all. So anyways, and just join along with me, and if you guys could help me out and help support me any way you can, just please like, subscribe, comment, and just help me out, and I will update you more and as we get going. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.